Namaste, Hamesha Khush Raho Bitiya. My name is JVN Manisha Singh. Today I am teaching you definitions of production management. I teached you another definitions of production management in our previous sessions. Now let's start the topic. Production or operation management is the process which combines and transforms various resources used in the production or operation subsystem of the organization into value-added products or services in a controlled manner as per the policies of the organization. Resources used in the production or sub-operations is transformed in the controlled manner as per the policies of the organization into the value-added product services. And then production or operation function is, that is, range of products were developed by the required output, that is product or services having the requisite quality and level. The set of interrelated management activities which are involved in manufacturing certain products is called production management, and for service management, then corresponding set of management activities is called as operation management. Examples of products and goods is boiler with a specific capacity, constructing flats, car, bus, radio, television. Then example of services is medical facilities, travel booking services. In the process of managing various subsystems of the organization, executives at different levels of organization need to track several management decisions. The management decisions are strategic and tactical and operational. Strategic one is of top level, in which there is a defining goals and making policies. And tactical level is the middle level, that is the plant location, new product establishment and monitoring of budget. Operational or bottom level is effective and efficient utilization of the resources. Basically, it is the scope of any organization in which strategic level is the bosses, which will define the goals and making the policies. Tactical level is of R&D and some managers, like they are decide the plant location and new product establishment and monitoring of the budgets. Then operational or bottom level, that is effective and efficient utilization of the resources. Corrections from feedback information. Tight quality check on the incoming raw material, adjustment of machine settings, change of tools, proper allocation of operations to machines with matching skills, change in the production plans. Then the productivity. What is productivity? Productivity is the relationship between the output, that is the product or service, and the input, that is resources consumed in providing them, of a business system. The ratio of aggregate output to the aggregate input is known as productivity. Productivity is equal to output divided by input. For survival of any organization, this productivity ratio must be at least 1. If it is more than 1, the organization is in a comfortable position. The ratio of output produced to the input resources utilized in the production. Then what are the importance of productivity? It helps to cut down costs per unit and thereby improve the profits. Gains from productivity can be transferred to the consumers in the form of lower period, lower price products or better quality products. These gains can also be shared with the workers or employees by paying them at a higher rate. A more productive entrepreneur can have better chances to exploit export opportunities. It would generate more employment opportunity. Overall productivity reflects the efficiency of production system. More output is produced with same or less input. The same output is produced with lesser input. More output is produced with more input. And the proportional increase is in output being more than the proportional increase in the input. Then productivity may be measured either on aggregate basis or on the individual basis, which are called as total or partial measure. Total productivity index or measure is equal to total output divided by total input. Total production of the goods and services divided by labor plus material plus capital plus energy and plus management. Partial productivity indices, depending upon factors used, measures the efficiency of individual factor of the production. There are the various productivity formulas to determine the productivity. Like for labor productivity index measure, there is an output in unit divided by man hours worked. For management productivity index, there is an output divided by total cost management. Machine productivity index is equal to total output divided by machine hours worked. Then land productivity index is divided by measure is equal to total output divided by area of land used, and partial measure is equal to output by labor or output by capital or output by material or output by the energy. Hope you all are satisfied with this session. This session is powered by Digital Version 2.0 Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University, Jaipur. If you have any query, please mention it in a comment box. I will resolve them whenever we have a live session. Thank you so much for watching this video.